Okay, welcome in this video, and in this video we will try to solve a problem, that is white screen problem, that how we can solve this problem in the mobile. So I have already published the two video that how we can solve this problem in your computer. So there are various options in the computer that you can resolve this problem, but suppose this problem is arriving in your mobile, then how you can solve. So actually this problem is with your app. This problem is with the compatibility of this app with your existing mobile phone. The simplest solution of this, that simply don't use the Meet app. Suppose you want to join the meeting, or suppose you want to initiate the meeting, then you can simply use your Chrome browser or the other browser to initiate or join the meeting. So simply use a Chrome browser, or you can use the other browser also. So simply open the Chrome, then simply open the Google, and then search Google Meet in the Google. Now one thing which is very important, that we have to open the desktop site here. So go in the setting of this Google Chrome by clicking on these three dots, then desktop site. Okay, then you have to click on this meet.google.com. Okay, so when I am clicking, it is asking for the choice. So there are different choices are here. We don't want to use this Meet app, so we want to open this Meet app with the Chrome. So simply click on the Chrome. So what we want this means we want to open this Meet app in the Chrome browser. So here you can simply write the code or a link, that suppose you want to join the meeting or suppose you want to initiate the meeting, then you can start a new meeting from here. So start or click. So you can use the zoom in and zoom out here. So simply allow the messages. So simply allow the different permission, then simply join now. Now to use the Meet app in the browser, it is quite complicated because this is a big screen. So you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can see the different options available in this. Okay, so this is the simplest solution. Avoid this error in the mobile. And suppose you want to use this app and you want that this error should not become, then there are various options. Number one, please uninstall and install again this Meet app, and then you can also clear the cache and data of this Meet app. So you can go in the setting, and then you can choose apps, then manage apps. Now in the list of the apps, then simply select the Meet app. So different mobile may have the different options. So there is option clear data, so you can clear this data also. Now there is maybe a problem with the rotation of the mobile. Suppose you are using this Meet app, so suppose in a portrait view that video is running fine, and when this view is landscape, then may be a problem with the white screen. So simply put the rotate off, and always try to use this Meet app in a portrait view only. Means don't use this in a landscape mode. This will also solve your problem. So I think this will solve your problem, white screen problem in the mobile. And suppose still the problem is exists, then you can ask me in the description box of this video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe this channel so that you can watch my later videos also. Thank you very much.